Good morning, students. In this video, explain about the concept of state space tree on NQN problem. Okay, previous video explained the concept of NQN problem, where we place the queen on the chessboard. Then after to complete that process, we must draw the state space tree. Okay, so this is a state space tree. Okay, so this tree explain how many possible solution used to solve the NQN problem. That means the QN place where. Okay, actually to specify the place of position of the QN on the chessboard. Okay, so these are the solutions. Number of possible solutions. That means a lot of possible combination solution to solve the problem. So okay, how can I identify that much of solution? So using the state space tree. Okay, so first listen here. Then here 4 queues are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the queue, first queue is queue 1 is placed on the first column. Okay, second queue is second column, third queue is third column, then fourth queue is fourth column. Okay, so first queue is first column, first row, place here. Then the remaining how many queues are there? Second queue, third queue, then fourth queue. Okay, so maybe second queue is second column, second row, first column, then the second row, third column, then second row, fourth column, maybe place there. Okay, just to imagination we can place the queue in particular position. Okay, so then next, suppose we are placing the second queue on the first column, then how many remainings are there? 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Then next after you take 3 only, then fourth queue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that means the 4 queues are there. The 4 queues place from where? So that is the concept. Okay, so this concept is simply we can understand, is a simple way. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is first. Okay, we are setting from there. Then after how many remaining numbers? 2, 3, 4. Okay, then after 2, then we have how many remaining numbers? 3, 4. Okay, then just to take this section only, 1, 3, sorry, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, what is the remaining number? 4. Okay, the next you take that next section, that means 1, 2, then next remaining 4, then what is the remaining number? 3. Okay, 1, 3, 2, sorry, 1, 2, again right here, 1, 2, 4, 3, yes, 4, 3. Okay, so we can identify, I can't identify this because it's a very limitations to draw this diagram. So okay, so second section, so the next one is 1, 3, then 2 and 4 are the remaining numbers. Then after you take this section only, that is 1, 3, 2, 4. Then after 1, 3, 4, 2. Then after 1, 4, 2, 3. Then after 1, 2, 3, 2. So these are the, then how can set the remaining numbers? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are the first section. Okay, then second one, just to try to this. Okay, second number is, second queue is here. So what are the remaining numbers? Second is right here, then remaining numbers 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay, then you take this section only, then what are the remaining numbers? 3 and 4. Okay, then next you take this section, then 2, 1, 3, 4, then 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, then after to take that second one, then 2, 3, then remaining numbers 1, 4, then 3, 1, 4. Okay, you just to analyze the diagram about the concept. Okay, then after to complete this diagram, we have what are the possible solution? What are the possible solution? So already we are finding the position, that means 2, 4, 1, 3. So that is a possible solution to place the queens in particular positions. Okay, so where is 2, 4, 1, 3 is there? Then 2, 4, 1, 3. So that is the correct solution. You can tick that. Then what is the alternative solution of NQN places frame? So the mirror image of getting solution. That means mirror image 3, 1, 4, 2. That means the reverse of the original position. So that is the another solution. So this solution is also placed here. That means 3, then 1, 4, 2. So this is the another solution. Okay, so these two solution we have solved the solution of that problem. What is the problem actually? Where we place the 4 queens in 4 into 4 chessboard. Okay, so only two possible solutions are there. One is 2 4 1 3, then another one is mirror image of the given solution. So that is 3 comma 1 comma 1 4 comma 2. So this is the another. So two solutions are there. So just you tick the two solution, then remaining of them cut it. Okay, then cut it the remaining solutions. Okay, I have a problem because it is a limitation. I can't explain this diagram. Okay, so I just upload this video. So if you have asked any problem, then we can discuss through our Telegram group. Okay, thank you.